It's seed starting time! Hey garden fam, it's Joe. Welcome to Garden Dreams. I'm going to be planting bell peppers today. It's the end of January and it's about maybe 7 weeks before my last frost date. So I need to start bell peppers today. So we're going to start them really quick. And I'm going to do, if you saw last year's video, I figured out how to grow bell peppers a little faster if you freeze the seeds. Did I do that? Not yet. I'll do it today. So I'm gonna plant some already because I want them to grow, and then I'll put some in the freezer and do it that method so you could see that if you want to emulate it. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my husband bought this gorilla system, or not a system, it's a little greenhouse. And it came with this. So since I don't have any seed starting mix at the moment, I'm just going to start them in here for now. Let's see. And I'm gonna have to soak this in water first. Soak these in water, and then I'm just gonna stick the seeds in there. Let those soak in and then just add the seeds. Super easy. This is what I have, but you could go get a seed starting mix or watch my first video to see how I did that. Now I have a bit of a fancier setup. So if you don't have anything, go ahead and watch my first video. And I was barely starting, had random stuff, and it still worked out. So don't be intimidated by this fancy stuff that it's not that fancy. So we're going to plant Etudia. I just have 2 left from the seeds of last year. Lilac Bell, Canary, California Wonder, and Ozark. Last year I planted these and then at the end they got mixed up. I didn't know which one was which. Hopefully this year I can remember and label them better. And then we'll know what's growing. But I think everything except the California Wonder was the one that they all worked out for me outside if you want to watch those videos. Okay, I'm just going to plant 2 of each of these for now in here. And I'm going to label it like this really quick because I'm in a time crunch and I have to go pick up my child from school. But I decided to do this right now. I just wanted to share again that this is my second time growing bell peppers from seed. And last year I started these seeds all willy-nilly with whatever resources I had already, and some items I needed I just bought used. Here, as you can see, I'm just making labels out of sticky notepads I had. And I say all this just to encourage you to start because I know I was intimidated the first time around and I didn't even know if it'd work out. But it did. Okay, there's my makeshift labels. Sometimes you gotta use what you got. Okay, so I got Ozark, Canary, Lilac, Etudia, and California Wonder type of bell peppers. I am going to put, let's do 3 of each since they're in those rows. Stick that in there. When I started this day, I had no idea what this medium was. Apparently it's Rockwool mineral fibers, and it came with the grow tent my hub bought me, so this is why I was using it. And I'm just poking a hole and adding the seeds to it. Since the seeds are small, you don't want to stick them in too deep. And since I have these 2 rows, I'm going to put, let's see, some broccoli and lettuce. And spinach. I added my makeshift labels, and these seeds are early headed broccoli from Renee's garden. I actually planted some of the seeds outside in fall as well, and they've grown, but nothing has come of them yet. No broccoli heads at least. And these over here are cauliflower, and the heads are starting to form on these. Yay! These seeds are a crunchy lettuce trio I also bought from Renee's garden. And I also threw some seeds outside in the fall in my garden tower. They're doing pretty well considering we had frost days in winter here in El Paso, Texas, where I live. I closed it up, creating a little greenhouse effect, and placed it in the grow tent. It's over a heating mat to keep those seeds warm. There's also a grow light inside that's magnetic. And as you can see, my seeds are growing. Yay! They've sprouted. They're getting a little leggy, if you can tell. These are a little leggy. I need to put them closer to the light. I was waiting for more to sprout, but I'm okay with the 5 that have already sprouted. And for reference, this is 2 weeks after I sowed the seeds, so it took 2 weeks for it to get this big. These additional seeds over here on the left side are tomatoes. I just threw those in there today. I probably should have started them 2 weeks ago as well, but I forgot. And well, that's all I have today. If you want to see the whole process, I'll link the videos from last year in the description below. This is the heating mat that I didn't show earlier. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And I hope to see you again here soon.